Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add terms and conditions to your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up this official Shopify website right here, shopify.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you want to go ahead and log into your store. So after logging into your main account where your store is, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here where we can see all the options we can access, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to start adding terms and conditions to your Shopify store. Basically, guys, all you have to do is just go right here with the left side screen at the bottom, click the settings icon. This is going to open up your Shopify admin settings where you can take a look at all the settings you can access, such as general, plan, billing, and so on. You want to scroll all the way down until you find your policies. So guys, go ahead and open up your policy section right here. So after opening up your policy section, you can take a look at all the settings we can access right here. So you can see written policies are right here, and we can get started making our privacy policies, terms of service, contact information, return and refund policy, all of that you can set right here. So go ahead and open up any of the options you want and get started with writing them out right here and setting them for your store. But yeah guys, basically it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.